The process of death at the cellular level in humans begins with a sequence of events that culminate in the cessation of life. Once the body stops receiving oxygen due to the heart no longer pumping blood, a cascade of biochemical reactions starts. Cells depend on oxygen to produce energy through a process called aerobic respiration. Without oxygen, this process halts, and cells switch to anaerobic respiration, which produces less energy and leads to the accumulation of lactic acid. The lack of energy impairs the function of ion pumps, leading to an imbalance in ion concentrations within and outside cells. This results in the swelling of cells and eventually their rupture. The first cells to die are those most dependent on oxygen, such as brain cells. Neurons begin to deteriorate within minutes after oxygen deprivation, resulting in a loss of consciousness and eventual brain death if circulation is not restored. Other tissues and organs follow more slowly. Heart cells can survive for a few minutes, while skeletal muscle cells and skin cells can persist for hours in oxygen-deprived conditions. This difference in survival time is due to variations in metabolic demands and reliance on oxygen. As cells rupture, their contents spill into the surrounding tissue, triggering an inflammatory response. Enzymes from the ruptured cells begin to break down neighboring cells, accelerating the process. In parallel, microorganisms within the body, particularly those in the gut, start to proliferate rapidly due to the absence of an immune response. These microbes release enzymes that contribute to tissue degradation, a process known as putrefaction. This marks the beginning of decomposition, as tissues soften, discolor, and emit gases produced by microbial activity. Over the following days, decomposition progresses rapidly. Cells are broken down into simpler molecules that are absorbed by microorganisms and insects if the body is exposed to the environment. The speed of cellular death and subsequent decomposition varies depending on factors such as temperature, moisture, and the presence of oxygen. This intricate sequence of cellular breakdown illustrates how the cessation of life triggers a highly organized, albeit destructive, biological process. Thank you for watching. We have some amazing videos coming up, so stay tuned and make sure to hit the subscribe button.